have to say that we are very, very happy to be here, very honored to receive the invitation to join the show here. It's a beautiful concept and a beautiful room and a very, very beautiful audience out there.
Light from the start won't really reach anything with it.
There is no one after you or on your back.
Sift through the slush and the ash and the dust for whatever stands out for whatever reason. If it's a laugh or a rush or a remembered feeling, you don't know what it means, but you don't want to leave it. Put it in a plastic bag and put it in a pocket. Hang it on a hanger, put it in a closet. You know where it is whenever you need it. It'll make a good argument.